Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. This is the third business day of the year. So today I'd like us to start off. I want us to look at the chart on my screen. This is AUD NZD. So we look at it because it looks really good. We do have some good projections on it. We expect price to move in a given manner on this chart. So the first thing I want to do is I want to draw a line here. This is a very good resistance level. You can see from the lower end, see it here. We have a level here, and then we have another level here. So this is like the three main areas that we do expect price to react to. Then we have a shape here. So look at what's happening. From this end, we had a resistance here. We had a resistance here. The price moved up. It retraced back down. Then it continued up. Then established a resistance here. Resistance. And then we still have a resistance here. So currently, it looks like we do have an inverted triangular formation or an expanding wedge formation. We have this as the base and then this as the hypotenuse. So if the price can go above and break beyond this yellow line, then we'd like to see some pullback before the price can extend itself to the upper side. So if the price goes above and breaks beyond this level, then I'd like to see some pullback to the same place before we can pick a buy position. So this is my opinion on AUD NZD. The next symbol which I want us to look at is GBPUSD. So the GBPUSD, so far, as we mentioned yesterday, we are in an uptrend where the price is continuously moving to the upper side. We have, this is a good level here. We have another level here. And then we have another level here. We have another level there. And then we have another level at the very bottom. So as we're speaking now, you can see that the price is actually above this level, 1.3505. So as I mentioned yesterday, this is actually the correct place to look for a buy from. So the reason I'm buying it is not only because you are above a resistance level, but because the price is in an uptrend. Look at this indicator. If you're buying strictly based on this indicator, you can see that we actually took a buy somewhere here. We took a buy somewhere here. And as it is now, we are still holding onto that position, at least up to this resistance level, the one we have at the very top. So in case the price continues up, that is in case the price comes down first to this point, then continues upwards, then I'd like to see some pullback before the price can extend itself to the upper side. So technically, this will act as the best place to look for a buy from. We'll buy it there. And then we'll also wait and buy it around this level here. If the price can ascend beyond this level, we'll buy it here. We'll also wait and buy it at this point here. The next symbol is EURUSD. So with the EURUSD so far, you can see what's happening technically. We had some downtrend here. Then as you're speaking now, there is no clear direction. Look at it now. There is no clear direction here. We don't have any clear direction, as you can see. So the price is within a range. This indicator is oscillating. So you can see that here, it's not giving us any clear direction. It's neither upwards nor downwards. So look at this resistance here. Then look at this support here. So if the price goes down, that is, if the price continues down and touches this level here, then this will act as the best place to look for a buy from up to the upper trend line, which means that we look for a buy around this level here, and then we look for a sell at this point here. So we'll buy it if the price can come down and touch this line, the one we have at the bottom, we'll be looking for a buy position. If the price continues up from this point, then we look for a sell position at this level here. If the price can break above this line, then we want to see some retracement before the price can extend itself to the upper side. So I'll save this screenshot because we may use it tomorrow. Just a second. We've saved it. The next symbol is the US dollar Japanese yen. So this chart is basically bullish. We are in an active uptrend. We just went beyond a very significant resistance level. We have it here. So this level was used previously as a very good resistance level. We had a resistance here. The price went down. It came back, broke beyond this level. So as it is now, you can see the price is basically above a very good level. So should the price pull back and touch this zone here, then that will act as the best place to look for a buy from. So we are not going to do anything except when the price comes back down and touches this level here. When that happens, then this should give us the ideal place to look for a buy from. Our next symbol is the SP500. So this chart, I'm not going to add anything. There is nothing much to be added except for the fact that we are in an uptrend. You can see that clearly that we had a resistance zone here. It was broken to the upper side. As we are speaking now, you can see that the price is still above the same place. So technically, we are in an uptrend. As long as the price is held above this zone here, we do expect price to continue to the upside, which means this here will act as the best place to be looking for a buy from. I hope that makes some sense. Our next symbol is gold. So on gold, as I mentioned yesterday, we are still struggling within this converging wedge formation. There is nothing much happening. So we still expect price to extend itself to the upper side and touch this trend line here. So as it is now, if you see any buy position or any buy signal, then you should dive into it. Expect price to extend to the upper side, at least up to this point here, where we expect sellers to take control back to the lower trend line. My next symbol is the Brent oil. So the Brent oil so far, the same things we had yesterday is the same thing which is still happening now. And nothing much has changed. We still expect price to continue to the upper side. So if you're on this chart as you're speaking now, you should keep looking for buy positions. Ultimately, we are looking forward to a break beyond this level here. So if you bought it here, hold on to that position, expect price to continue to the upper side, and then it should break above this point, then pull back before you can continue to the upper side. So the view which I'm mentioning now can only be useless. That's it can only be rendered futile if the price can break below this dotted line. If that happens, then that would mean you're now sellers. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's session. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.